In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Protonmail. Protonmail is a privacy-focused email service that offers end-to-end encryption, and getting started is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through the full sign-up process from opening the website to setting up your mailbox and unlocking extra free storage. To begin, open a secure web browser and go to proton.me mail. Once the page loads, look for the main button that says Create a Free Account and click it. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the sign up page at account.proton.me/signup. Either path will take you to the registration interface. Next, you'll see several plan options displayed on the screen. Proton shows both paid and free choices here, so make sure you select the free one if that's what you want. Find the option labeled Proton Free, then click Get Proton for Free. This locks in the no-cost plan and moves you to Account Setup. Now it's time to configure your account details. In the username field, type the email name you want to use. Right beside that, choose your email domain from the drop-down, such as proton.me or protonmail.com. After that, create a strong password and enter it carefully, then type it again in the confirmation field below. This password is extremely important because Proton cannot recover it for you, and losing it can make older mailbox data unreadable. Once everything looks correct, click the purple Create Account button. After that, Proton will ask you to complete a human verification step. A prompt will appear on screen asking you to prove you are human. Check the box provided and complete the CAPTCHA challenge. This helps protect the platform from automated abuse, and you won't be asked for payment details during this step. Once you pass verification, you'll be asked to set your sender details and recovery options. First, enter the display name you want other people to see when you send messages, then click Next. After that, you can add a recovery method using a backup email address or a mobile number. This is useful if you ever lose access to your account. When you're done, click Save Selected. Finally, once your mailbox opens, you can increase your free storage from 500 megabytes to 1 gigabyte by completing the Get Started checklist in the lower left area of the dashboard. Send your first message, even if it's just a test email to yourself. Then try another Proton app by opening the app launcher in the upper left corner and visiting Proton Drive or Proton VPN. You can also install the mobile app on your phone and sign in there to complete the setup, and that's it. Your Proton Mail account is now ready to use.